You've worked your whole life. Now it's finally time to retire. The dream? Palm trees swaying in the wind, white sandy beaches, the sound of waves outside your window. For thousands of expats, that dream leads straight to the Philippines. But here's the question nobody asks. Is it safe? The Philippines is beautiful. The people are warm, but safety varies dramatically depending on where you choose to settle. Some places are peaceful havens where expats thrive for decades. Others? They're filled with risks, from crime to natural disasters to healthcare challenges. Today, we're diving into the safest cities in the Philippines for expats to retire in 2025. We'll explore not just crime rates, but also healthcare access, natural disaster resilience, community support, and overall peace of mind. Stay until the end, because the city that takes the #1 spot might not be the one you think, and it could change how you plan your retirement forever. Why safety matters to expats. When people dream of retiring abroad, especially in the Philippines, they often picture white sandy beaches, delicious tropical food, and a slower, peaceful lifestyle. But there's one factor that matters more than the view from your balcony, the size of your pension, or even the weather. Safety. Safety is the invisible foundation of a happy retirement. Without it, even paradise can feel like a prison. Why expats worry about safety? Expats, whether retirees or working professionals, are often in vulnerable positions. They may not speak the local language fluently, may not understand the unspoken cultural rules, and may not have an immediate support system. Unlike locals, expats usually stand out, sometimes even becoming targets for scams, petty crime, or overcharging. Now imagine you're a retiree in your 60s or 70s. You might not be as physically strong as before. You might depend on stable access to healthcare, trustworthy neighbors, and reliable systems like the police or local government. That's why choosing a safe city becomes one of the most important decisions in retirement planning. The layers of safety expats care about. Safety isn't just about crime, it has multiple layers that expats consider. Crime and security. Is it safe to walk at night? Are muggings, theft, or home invasions common? Healthcare access. Can you reach a good hospital quickly in case of an emergency? A safe place without healthcare is still a risk. Natural disasters. The Philippines is in the typhoon belt and on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Some areas are far more prone to typhoons, earthquakes, and flooding than others. Choosing a safer geography matters. Community support. Is there an expat community or trustworthy local network that can help in times of need? Being alone in a crisis can be scarier than the crisis itself.
Baguio City, the cool and safe mountain escape. Tired of the heat? Baguio is the answer. Sitting 1,500 meters above sea level, it has a year-round cool climate, making it the retirement choice for those who can't stand the tropical sun. Lifestyle for expats. Known as the summer capital of the Philippines. Surrounded by pine forests, mountains, and a vibrant art and cultural scene. Housing ranges from $200 to $500 per month. Excellent fresh produce, a great place for retirees who love markets and organic food. Safety breakdown. Crime, lower than big cities. Theft happens in crowded tourist spots, but violent crime is rare. Healthcare, Baguio General and St. Louis Hospital are strong options. Natural disasters, earthquakes possible, but far less typhoon exposure than coastal cities. Iloilo City, safe, clean, and culturally rich. Iloilo, often called the City of Love, is one of the cleanest, most livable cities in the Philippines. With its Spanish colonial architecture, well-maintained roads, and friendly locals, many expats consider Iloilo a hidden gem. Lifestyle for expats. Wide boulevards, modern malls, but also heritage homes and old churches. Known for food, La Paz Bachi and seafood markets. Housing is affordable, with modern condos from $300 to $500 per month. Cost of living, $1,500 to $1,800 per month gives a comfortable life. Safety breakdown. Crime, among the lowest in major Philippine cities. Healthcare, strong hospitals, Iloilo doctors, and the medical city Iloilo. Natural disasters, typhoon exposure, but good city preparedness. Bacolod, the city of smiles. Bacolod is known for its friendly people, clean streets, and delicious food. Many expats call it the most underrated retirement city in the Philippines. Lifestyle for expats. Famous for chicken inasal, grilled chicken, and the Mascara Festival. Slower pace of life with very affordable housing, $200 to $400 per month. Strong sense of community. People know their neighbors. Safety breakdown. Crime, very low, with Bacolod often ranking among the safest mid-sized cities. Healthcare, Riverside Medical Center and Bacolod Adventist Hospital. Natural disasters, some typhoon exposure, but city is well prepared. Cebu City, picking safe neighborhoods. Cebu is the Philippines' second largest urban hub after Manila, but unlike Manila, it offers safe neighborhoods where expats can thrive. Lifestyle for expats. International airport connects to Asia and beyond. Expats enjoy gated communities like Maria Luisa or IT Park condos. Modern hospitals, Changhua and Cebu doctors. Cost of living, $1,500 to $2,500 per month, depending on lifestyle. Safety breakdown. Crime. Cebu City has crime, but in expat-preferred neighborhoods, safety is very high. Healthcare. Some of the best in the Philippines. Natural disasters, typhoon exposure, but city is resilient. Dumaguete, the city of gentle people. Dumaguete on Negros Island is called the City of Gentle People for a reason. Expats describe the locals here as welcoming, polite, and deeply community-oriented. It's one of the most popular retirement cities in the Philippines, ranking highly in Forbes and International Living as a top retirement destination. Lifestyle for expats, small city charm with big advantages, universities, cafes, expat hangouts, and easy access to the sea. Cost of living is very affordable. Retirees can live comfortably on $1,200 to $1,500 per month. Easy island hopping. Apo Island and Siquijor are nearby. Safety breakdown. Crime, very low violent crime. Expats say they feel safer here than in larger cities. Healthcare. Holy Child Hospital and Negros Oriental Provincial Hospital provide basic care. For serious treatment, Cebu is a 30-minute flight. Natural disasters, some typhoon exposure, but much lower than eastern Visayas. Puerto Princesa, Palawan, safe island life. Puerto Princesa offers a balance of city living and island paradise. Palawan has repeatedly been ranked the best island in the world by Travel and Leisure and Condé Nast. Lifestyle for expats. Calm city with island vibes. Affordable living. $1,200 to $1,600 per month is plenty. Gateway to natural wonders like the Underground River and El Nido. Safety breakdown. Crime, extremely low. One of the safest cities in the Philippines. Healthcare, limited, with hospitals like Hospital ng Palawan. Serious issues may require travel to Manila. Natural disasters, far fewer typhoons compared to eastern Philippines. Davao City, the Philippines' safest big city. Davao City is often called the safest large city in the Philippines, and it's not just a slogan. Many expats say that in Davao, they feel safer walking at night than they do in many U.S. or European cities. Why? Davao is known for strict law enforcement, and local governments has long emphasized peace and order. While Metro Manila struggles with petty crime, snatching, and scams, Davao has consistently ranked as having one of the lowest crime rates among major Philippine cities.
Lifestyle for expats. Housing is affordable. Condos range from $300 to $600 a month. Houses even less outside the center. The city is modern but not overwhelming. Shopping malls, Western restaurants, international schools, and fast-growing infrastructure. For nature lovers, Mount Apo, the tallest mountain in the Philippines, and Samal Island, with white sand beaches, are both minutes away. Safety breakdown. Crime? Petty theft exists, but violent crime is rare. Expats report feeling safe even in downtown areas. Healthcare? Medical Doctors Hospital and Metro Davao Medical are considered some of the best outside Manila. Natural disasters? Less prone to strong typhoons compared to Luzon and Visayas. The Philippines offers everything: beaches, mountains, cities, and rural escapes. But the one thing that makes retirement truly possible is safety. Which of these safe cities fits your retirement dream? Would you choose the safety of Davao, the friendliness of Dumaguete, or the cool comfort of Baguio? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget, retirement is not just about affordability or beauty. It's about peace of mind, and the Philippines has plenty of places where you can live safely.